awesome! Howlerific! Ow! Come on, do it with me! Ah! My ears! You sound like angry mice.
How about we try something else? Ooh, I know! Daytime stargazing! Sounds cool, doesn't it?
Daytime napping. That's cool.
It's star-tacular, if we're inventing new words.
I'll allow it. Daytime stargazing it is.
All I see is sky.
Munchkin, maybe daytime stargazing requires a telescope?
Well, if you want to do it the easy way...
Not sure I want to do it at all. What? Oh, time for a fixorama.
Maybe leave the new words to me.
One of you put your paw there?
I got it!
I said I got it.
No, I want to do it!
No, I want to do it.
I said I got it!
I said I got it.
Oh, come on, let me do
No.
it! No! Good news. The swing needs even more fixing now.
Maybe we should all do our own thing. Like, I'll find someone that likes to howl as much as me.
I could try to find someone who wants to stargaze.
And I'll find someone to fix things with.
This is gonna be howlsational. Howlificent. Forget it. It'll be great. Howling partner auditions. This will get the word out. Perfect.
One ticket for the movie starring the pug in the funny jumper.
The next cat I see will be my stargazing buddy. What? Oh!
What? If you want to study greatness, at least take notes.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
So, we did it?
You sure did.
We got the part?
Yep.
Yes! We are going to be in a movie!
You get to howl with me.
Wait, what? We were auditioning to be in a movie, weren't we?
No, you were auditioning to be my howling partner. It lets you unleash your inner dog from within. Oh!
Yeah. No.
Why? Why not? Don't you like to fix things? I bet there's all sorts of stuff to fix in Dogtown.
Are you saying Dogtown's broken?
What? No! I just meant it'll be fun.
Fix this.
That's a rock.
I'm hungry.
Oh.
Are you coming?
Yep, absolutely. I'm hungry too. Food'll fix that.
Yodelay. Yodelay.
Yodel what hee how.
Needs more oomph. Yodelay.
Yodel ho hee how.
That is not it.
I'll have you know that was a perfect yodel. Just, in the key of confusion. Never mind. Next!